Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review for these Zapeera flock lined gloves. You can use these around the household for cleaning, professional kitchen, car beauty and maintenance, gardening, or dry cleaning. Today I'm going to be cleaning my oven using the gloves just to see how they work so that you guys can see how they work. So I'm showing you guys the before, and I'm going to be using the grill oven cleaner by LA's Totally Awesome. This was found at the dollar store. You can use this for your grill or your oven. So first things first is you want to spray it onto the soiled area. So you can see me putting the gloves on. These are a size medium and they work really well. And so I'm also using a Brillo pad and just a regular washcloth and a bucket of water and the LA's Totally Totally Awesome grill and oven cleaner. And I added in just a little bit of the Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaning solution to the water. I'm just taking the Brillo pad and trying to attempt to wipe the areas. The whole time while I was cleaning out the oven, there were no issues with the gloves. They were not falling off. They stayed on. My hands stayed dried on the inside. And they were very easy to take off and very easy to clean with. These gloves keeps your hands from moisture and sweat. They're easy to pull on and off. Some of the other features that you guys can get these gloves for to use for is things like cutting vegetables and fruits, to save your hands from cuts and dirt. You can also use it for dishwashing, such as cleaning the dishes, because cleaning your kitchen and dishes is just a start and you can do more with it. You can also use it for washing clothes, clean clothes, and to save your hands from all types of chemicals. The link for these gloves will be down in the description box down below, so be sure to look there for the link. Hope that you guys enjoyed this cleaning video to show how these gloves work. I hope that you guys think about purchasing these gloves for yourself to use at home. The gloves are definitely a multi-use pair. You can use them for multiple things and multiple times. Be sure to check the description box for that link down below, and be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel.